Good morning, guys. This is a stressful vlog and it's the start of a new vlog, a new chapter. Basically, Owen and I have we're moving into our new apartment today and I'm extremely anxious, and he's downstairs waiting for me. He's like rented a ute for the weekend and I'm extremely anxious. So yeah, let's go get the keys of our new apartment. Let's see. They're there home. We're about to go in.
Why are you getting orange?
Because I can't remember what.
This is huge. Look at you.
Oh my god.
This is perfect. You're stressed or not?
I know.
It's so nice in here. Everything's so perfect.
This is our empty house tour. So you come in the door. It's just like cabinets. And then this is bedroom 1, and obviously it's dark because it's like an internal bedroom and the light comes from this like internal window. But yeah, we just really wanted 2 bedrooms for when my family comes to visit and Charlotte comes to visit and everyone. So yeah, but Owen and I actually think we might take this bedroom just because like it's darker, it'll be cooler because of like whatever. So this is bedroom 1, and then you come out here and we need to get our fridge. We still haven't got a fridge yet, but that's where the fridge goes. It comes with a microwave, dishwasher, oven, hob, sink, etc. And then this is the main living area. I'm actually so obsessed. I was really worried that this was going to be small, but it's actually not at all. And then we have a balcony. Gorgeous weather today. Then this is the bathroom. I feel like bathrooms are like pretty basic. And then the laundry is in here. So it doesn't come with a washing machine, but it comes with a dryer. So it has a dryer and then sink, and then just like space for like drying like your clothes horse and everything. And then the shower, me again. And then you come back out here, and then this is like, I'm assuming this is probably kind of considered like the main bedroom because it does have the gorge view. As you can see here, you can see where the walls were painted. But yeah, this is the bedroom. This is probably my favorite part about it. You can see the balcony from the bedroom, so it's like a corner. I just think that's so nice. What are the lights like on? Oh, they're nice.
Look at these ones over here.
Oh, it's light.
It's actually nice and bright in here.
Yeah, it is. And then the balcony. And then that's our view of the sky. And then again, there's the bedroom. I'm so happy.
This room is big as well, isn't it?
Yeah.
The room's huge.
Yeah.
This is the office, because imagine you threw a desk here.
Yeah, it would be so hot as well.
Yeah, but I don't want my bedroom to be hot.
I would love this as my bedroom.
You won't. And plus, that's going to be so loud.
I don't think it is.
I guarantee. Wait for. We won't put the bed in yet. Wait for it tonight. I guarantee it.
Well, we may go out.
No.
Oh, I can't. I want to be Eilish. Oh yeah, vlog. I want to be Eilish tonight. Okay, so I am back. Owen's gone to find parking, so we're back in the OG apartment, and we went to Bunnings because we needed to get tarp for the ute, and then we also needed to get like cleaning supplies because we obviously have to like deep clean this apartment. So once Owen comes back upstairs, once he's parked, we're probably going to start figuring out what we need to move first. Obviously it will be our couch because it's just taking up the most space in here, and we kind of want to get that over there as soon as possible. That is the plan. Okay, so we just did the first run of our furniture, which I'm really excited about. Again, I think these are so dirty. So we have our furniture, we have like our bed, mattress, etc. moved into the apartment. So all that's left now is like the couch. So we're excited. And I keep stressing out on. No, stop. Billie Eilish.
Billie Eilish. Eilish.
This is my outfit. I'm so excited. Owen is gonna drop me to Alice's and then we're gonna go from there. What a chaotic, busy day.
I had 3 hours sleep.
Yeah, Owen didn't go to bed last night.
Hi guys. Are you gonna keep this energy up? Basically, for the first like 40 seconds or whatever of the song, I'm gonna be doing something where I sing with this live like loop pedal and I sing on top of myself, and then there's silence in the room, and it's the only time in the whole show that I'll ask for silence because I don't like silence. I like all the noise and the screaming, and I want all the noise you can possibly give me, but for like 45 seconds or some shit, you gotta be really quiet. Can we do that? Everyone on this side, are you doing good? Now, if you have a seat, you are allowed to sit down for a second. Take it easy. I love you too. chill. And thank you to my crew for being so awesome and putting this show together every night. Come on!
A bit easier than we have done that big.
First Bunnings snag for me, not for Owen. Owen has sold snags at Bunnings before. Oh, also, I was just about to say, yeah, new hair on the blog. Whenever you get your hair cut short, you look even extra ginger.
I look extra ginger,
Yeah. Are you so excited?
I'm not, honestly, it's so tired.
Why?
That's some
Is it nice?
fucking
Well then yes, I will have some. That's good.
It's kind of like Australian marshmallow ice cream, all that other stuff.
Walking home from Pilates.
I want to be here for the whole time. Jesus. Wait. Sorry.
So guys, I haven't vlogged at all today except for me going to my Pilates class. It is now 20 to 8 in the evening. It is officially, well, day 3 of moving and I think we're nearly there. I never want to do this ever again. It was so stressful, and to be fair, like I knew it was going to be this bad because like everyone warns you about how bad moving is, but yeah, it was torture to be honest. But the apartment is nearly all there. We have all the presses clean, the skirting boards, the walls, the laundry, the bathroom, and then the last thing is the couch and the carpets and the mattress. So yeah, very stressful. I can't wait for this all to be done. And we were going to stay here another night, but now we're going to go to the new apartment. So I'm just going to strip the bed and then hopefully this will be the last we'll see of this apartment. Stuff for the freezer, all of our food from the fridge. We're getting there. Back to the vlog.
I'm going to lose my job and then we won't be able to afford anything.
Guys, we're leaving our first apartment.
Yeah. It's a scam.
Excited for this new chapter. Woo!
Anyone that's moving to Australia and bond, it's a scam.
Yeah, it's a scam. Okay, let's go. Our last elevator party. Hello guys and welcome to the outro of this vlog. As you can see, it's very gloomy in the apartment right now, and that's because I'm filming this during the aftermath of ex-cyclone Alfred. It's just so miserable out. We've been in like a mini lockdown since Thursday. It's now Sunday when I'm recording this, and I went out this morning to go to Pilates, got absolutely soaked, but I've been getting soaked like every time we leave the house the last 3 days. But hopefully tonight will be the kind of the end of it, because we are definitely running out of supplies, and Woolies and Coles are open, but they're like, they just don't really have fresh fruit or veg, so everyone's just kind of eating tinned goods still. So for like lunch today we had tuna and pasta, so I think we're gonna try order in if the weather gets a bit better and we can get it ordered in, and, or maybe if there's somewhere close by, Owen can do click and collect, because we're genuinely running out of food. I just wanted to come on and do a conclusion to the video because obviously a lot happened in it. We moved out, we moved in, I went to Billie Eilish with Alice, and yeah, it's just been like such a busy few weeks, the last few weeks. I'm not sure what the last update I gave on like our journey and life in Australia, but we both got our second year visas, which means we are in Australia until 2026, January 2026. And I think in the last couple of like days and weeks, I've kind of accepted that this is our last year, just because neither of us want to do the regional work requirement to stay a third year, just because it's quite badly paid and we just love the life we have at the moment, and the company that we're both in doesn't really offer sponsorship, so we're just kind of stuck in like a hard place at the moment where the option to stay in Australia is kind of not there once we finish up this visa, which we're obviously devastated about. I love my life here, I love all my friends, I love the lifestyle I've built, and yeah, but anyway, let's just stick on the positives. We're here for another few months, so that's like the most important thing. So if you're wondering about the move and why we moved, I'm pretty sure in my last vlog I did kind of get into it. Basically, we were renting a 1-bed with no car space in Fortitude Valley for $600 a week, and it was just a bit expensive, especially for what we were getting. And this one is 2-bed in Newstead for $700 a week with a car space. So obviously 700 we divided by 2, and then the bills, etc. Owen kind of covers. But yeah, we are so happy to be here. We moved to Newstead because it's just a lot closer to me for like my Pilates studio, and then also to Alice and Aisling. And I think Emma might be eventually moving out here just because it's so close to things. And yeah, I'm just really happy that we've moved to this part of Brisbane. And if you are searching or looking, honestly, it might seem daunting, especially with like the rental situation in all of Australia, but genuinely, once you kind of get into it, it's fine. I viewed 5 apartments. This was the last apartment I viewed, and I did 4 of the viewings by myself, and I just kind of instantly fell in love with it. Owen found this listing and he was chatting to the property manager, but then I was the one who went to the building, started the application, did all that. We got offered 3 apartments. We got declined for 1, which was one that we really wanted, but now with all the floods and everything, we're kind of glad we didn't get it because it was a ground floor apartment. But yeah, everything works out the way it's meant to be, and we're really happy that we are where we are. I wrote in my notebook, so I don't forget. What else was I going to say? Is this our last year here? Probably. Sad face. But yeah, that's pretty much all that's going on at the moment. We're just working, enjoying life, even though the weather has been bad. I did go to Pilates this morning, and I have been getting out for coffees, so it's not the worst. But at the same time, I would love a fresh fruit. Hello guys, quick change in camera because my camera died, but I just wanted to say thank you so much for watching, and if you have any questions about the move, visa situation, rentals, Billie Eilish, just let me know. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate every single person who watches my Australia vlogs, engages. It just means so much. But yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video.